Hi guys, welcome to bestsublimation.tv. I'm Alex. So do you guys happen to own an automatic Mac press or a Mac press with just one heater? Do you guys want to print more tumblers, mugs, and caps to make the most of the machines? Well, as we know, the automatic Mac presses and the single heater Mac presses, they all have the limit of compatible Mac diameters. They cannot work with the Macs smaller than the range. So what if you want to print smaller Macs? For example, this smaller glass cap, it's too small to be pressed tightly by the Mac press. To solve this problem, today I want to introduce to you guys some amazing tools. Here are our just launched silicone Mac wraps. You just use a silicone wrap to wrap the cap to enlarge its diameter. And the silicone is a conductive material. It can conduct the heat and transfer the image on the cap. And if you want to fix the wrap on the cap, you can use the thermal tape to tape here just below the handle, and then you can put it into the Mac heater and press it. Now the cap can fit in the Mac heater perfectly, and I can't even take it out. So everything is fast and very easy. Our silicone wraps all measure 25 by 12 centimeters, and they are available in 3 thicknesses to fit different smaller tumblers, mugs, and caps. You can choose according to the product information in the description box. And next, I'm going to print some items with the silicone wraps and show you guys the whole process. So please keep watching.